Hello dear children, LK Tripathi again here with you with some new points of the same topic of history, that is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Previously we have discussed how did French Revolution open the door for the entire European countries to establish a new type of society, and how to root out the powers of monarch of the country. We discussed the European society those days was divided into three different phases. They were liberals, radicals and conservatives. They had their different ideas to structure a new society. Ultimately, they started a revolution in Europe to demand for the powers of the people. In the same sequence, we shall see today the industrial society and social change. First, what was the industrial society and social change? First point is that new cities rose with the industrial revolution. With the industrial revolution, new types of cities rose in the country. Number two, men, women and children worked in factories. Number three, long working hours with low wages. Low demand led to unemployment. These such types of problems and scarcity they faced in Europe. Next, rapidly growing towns faced housing and sanitation problems. Means the people of the same area felt troubles and problems after establishing such types of industries and new types of cities and towns. Liberals and radicals rallied around these issues and wanted revolutions. Next point, that is the coming of socialism in Europe. How did socialism come in Europe? First, socialism as an idea attracted attention in Europe by mid-19th century. Number two, it opposed private property and supported collective social interests. Means these thinkers and reformers opposed private property. They advocated and supported that the income gained by the factories should be divided equally among the laborers, because they are the laborers are the real producer of the goods. Next, they had different visions of future. They thought something better in coming time also. Next point, some believed in setting up of cooperatives through individual initiatives. This was the industrial society and social changes started taking place in the society. Next point, that is support for socialism. Many people, many sections of the society started talking about the support for socialism. Means socialism must be established in the country to provide equal status and equal opportunity for all the people of the country, so that they could also enjoy a better position in the society. So what was the impact of this? Point number one, a spread of socialist ideas through Europe led to the formation of Second International. Number two, association of workers like Social Democratic Party and Labour Party began to be formed in England and Germany to improve working and living conditions. They started forming association, labor association in England and Germany, because industrial revolution recently taking place in these two countries. Next, demands for reducing working hours and right to vote. They started demanding to reduce working hours and pay good wages against the work, and also they demanded for right to vote. Next, ideas of socialism did shape legislation, but they never succeeded in forming government in Europe. They did a lot. They strived a lot to form the government in Europe, but they did not succeed. Next, that is conservatives, liberals and radicals continue to form government. Means these three sections of the society, they continue to form their own government in Europe. We have discussed till here. After that, in next video, we will again join together with Russian Revolution. We shall study about the Russian Revolution. How did Russian Revolution take place in the country, and what was the result of this revolution? Till then, thank you and goodbye.